Welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. It's a beautiful day. So I know every trip people ask me how much water's in the well. So let's take a look at the well. So it's a beautiful day out here in the Chihuahuan Desert at the Timeline Ranch. So here we are at the well. For those of you that haven't been following the channel to understand how this well works, the pond over there has a bed of gravel and sand that runs underground at the bottom, depth of this well. So the water filters through that. Depending on the head pressure in the pond is what the height should be in the well. And you can see this pond isn't completely done, but it's pretty clear already. So you can see that darker spot right there. That's the deepest spot in the pond currently. It's about 13, 14 feet from that level edge down to the bottom there. So anyway, that water filters through that gravel and pulls up in the bottom of the well. Let's take a look inside the well. Nice and dark in here, so this flashlight's brighter. You can see some little water droplets forming up there from the temperature difference. That's the pipe going to the pitcher pump that's on that rock. That's the sleeve for what will be the electric water pump. Let's see, so you see those steps down there? The bottom one is 2 feet off the bottom of the well. So right now it's got a little over, we'll say 6'3", because the steps are 2 foot between each other. The water is nice and clear, right to the bottom. It'll clear up once I start using it more too. Right now it's basically just sitting here. I pump out, maybe 15, 20 gallons each trip I'm here out of the pitcher pump. This junction box I have right here is for pulling wire from the buildings that I haven't built yet, the dome buildings. I'm going to have a little roof over this well up top. And I've got 2-inch conduit that run out of here. If you saw that video a long time ago that I did, the wire will run in to here, and then from here I can pull it out to the building. It turned out to be a really nice day. Didn't start out real great this morning, but let's take a look at the pond real quick. This thing's a beautiful sight. I could sit here and stare at this all day long out here in the Chihuahuan Desert. I'm already the most water-rich person out here with this pond. I'm still going, still digging. The water's looking pretty clear. I'm gonna clear this water up a little better with some giant floater clams later, but they have to have fish to complete their life cycle. So the female clam has a little lure that it gets fish to come close to it, and it shoots its eggs into the mouth of the fish when the fish is going after the lure, and the eggs stick to the gills, which doesn't cause the fish any permanent harm. As the fish swims along, the eggs get oxygen on them and they develop. Once they get a certain size, they drop off of the gills and just start growing on their own after that. Let's see if we can find some of the snails down there. Deal's looking okay. Can't wait to see some moringa sprout up over here. So that's what I make my tea out of. Both of those right there. I take the deal seeds, save them to add to my tea, and moringa leaves for the main part of the tea. So once I get everything growing here like that, that's where I get my tea from. See some of the pollinators down there. Actually quite a few of them. More likely than not, these are killer bees. That's mostly what's out in this area. Well, I don't see any of the snails on this edge here. Pecan trees aren't coming out yet for the spring. Still dormant. Oh, there's one of the snails right there. Yeah, it's a nice day. I wish I could come a little later in the spring when everything's bloomed out. Just not going to have the time to do that, take off from work to come out here. Still got some deal growing from last time right here. Growing on its own. Keep staying warm like this ochre is going to spring up again. That's the very first tree out here, pecan tree. English walnut. Looking pretty happy over here. Well, I guess I'm gonna get to work. See you on the next one.